Hello friends, these days anime style reels are going viral on social medias. Look at this Instagram account. Just by creating these kind of reels, they have gained 512k followers and their views are in millions. So if you also want to create similar kind of AI reels and start earning money online, then today I'll come up with the video where I'm showing you how you can generate the similar kind of reels step by step. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Step 1. Generate any image to generate the prompt. We will use ChatGPT for this. So go to the ChatGPT and paste the provided prompt. Now prompt you can find in the description. Then press enter and ChatGPT will ask for some detail about the image. Enter them and click send. ChatGPT will generate both the image prompt and a music prompt for you. The music prompt we will use later in this video. After generating the prompt, we will move to creating the anime image using Leonardo AI tool. The link you can find in the description. Open the tool, click on get started and log in using your Google account. Click on image creation, then select anime from the options on the left side. Choose the image dimension suitable for Instagram reel. Paste the copied image detail into the input field and click generate. You will get 4 anime images. Use the one you like the most. Step 2. Convert the generated image into motion video, and we will use Hailuo AI for this. Visit the tool's website. The link you can find in the description and log in using your Google account. On the left side, click create, then image to video and upload your image and let the tool convert it into motion video. Once it is ready, download the video. Step 3. Now we will create the background music. We will use another tool for this. So go to the website, link is in the description, and sign in with your Google account. Paste the prompt generated from the ChatGPT earlier into the input box and click create. The tool will generate 2 pieces of music. Listen to them and download the one you like in MP3 format. Now step 4. Edit the reel, and we will use the online editing tool for this step. So go to the tool's website. I again put down the website link in the description. Click try for free, sign in with your Google account and click create new video. Import the media file, video and audio by clicking import media. Drag and drop the video and audio into the timeline. Trim any unwanted audio and delete unnecessary parts. Once your video is ready, click export. Select the video quality and export the final reel. Isn't it simple?
Yes.
So if you found my video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends who also want to become a trendy creator. See you in the next one.